Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to make a 10mm socket. So we're going to select the shape of a cylinder. We're also going to select a shape of a hexagon. I'm going to take out the fill. Make the outline as small as possible and make it gray. This I'll fill it in with black. You can take out the outline as well. Let's give it some gray color inside. Very light. Let's see what the gradient does. Let's try that. Shape effects. And I'm going to take this one for now. But we're going to go into 3D format. Look at some materials, some lighting. Let's give it like a little bit of lighting. And the most important thing here is the width and the height. Okay, let's just see how that looks like. A little bit lighter. And I think for now, let's take out the gradient. Oh, the gradient's gone. Okay. Back here. Add a little bit of depth. Then we're going to go into the rotation. Maybe that's just a little bit too much. Let's leave it at that. Just going to go see what this does. Unfortunately, it doesn't exactly show you the preview. Take the width down a little bit. Maybe add a little bit of contour. And I'm just going to go back to the shape effects here. Not much there. I can use a little bit more width. Sorry, height. Add some depth. Oops, sorry, that's the contour. Contour, depth. It only works on the rotate. Okay, let's just do 20 and that's it. I'm going to change the lighting to this. Something of that nature. And change that bevel. To that. Back to the rotation. Let's leave it like that. Shape outline. We can add some weight to it. I could see that this. I could see that the width is a little bit too angular. Back here, actually. Let's see if we can add a little bit of shadow in there. And again, I'm not really happy with the width here. Let's take that out somewhere there. The depth a little is too much. Material, let's do that. Gradient. Go back here, adjust the lighting. That's what all you can do. Shape outline, weight. This one, shape fill, gradient, too light. I'm going to go into effects, bevel. Just have to move it out of the way. Just see this. I'm going to have to bring that down a little bit. Just outline. Let's try that. Okay, and then we're going to insert another shape. That's going to be grayish. The gradient. Just to start, I'm just going to position it here. Maybe make it lighter. Take out the outline. Edit the points. Add an extra point. Make it smooth. 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 maybe rounded edges, shape fill, gradient. And there it is. Thanks for watching.